The guy making the measurements goes up to you and says, hey, I got a 4 inches at 35 degrees from the short. The most important thing to know is that your board is actually going to end up being longer than 4 inches. Instead of where the long cut, the maximum length for that board was 4 inches. So the same 3 rules applies to what we did for the long cut, except for we're going to start a little bit differently. We're going to make sure that our pivot point is flush with the bottom of the straight line that we created at the 4-inch mark. We're going to make sure that our 35-degree angle is flush with the bottom of the board that we haven't cut off yet. And the thing that I kind of like is that I get to use the pivot point and I don't necessarily have to worry about this so much. So now that we know we have 35 flush to the bottom of the board and our pivot point is flush with the straight line we created, I can go ahead and scribe my line. As you can see here, we actually gained distance from the 4-inch mark. We're sitting a little bit over 6.5 inches. And this portion of the board here is the board that you'd cut and give to the guy that gave you the measurements. He'd look at that cut and go, dang, that's a good cut.